Hello, girls. This is the Little Ones collection. Nina is 11 centimeters tall and is completely handmade. With the same Nina pattern, you can make Nina as an angel, country girl, Rapunzel, Bahiana, World Cup fan, seamstress, cook, and whatever else your imagination desires. The course comes with lifetime access. It's yours forever. There's a video lesson with the complete step-by-step, and the patterns are in full size for printing. And that's not all. There's a lesson on how to make the scented doll, how to make fragrance for the packaging, and how to make a recycled box to create beautiful kits with the doll. Nina Pricing Guide. With this guide, you'll never lose money again. You'll learn how to fill it out, how to list everything correctly, how to put together kits that sell and make more money. And there's a certificate of completion too. Look how beautiful. I want to see your name here. What are you waiting for to learn how to make all this cuteness? Click the link below and come make dolls with me.